This module will discuss how to automatically assign devices to a group using filtering. To automatically assign devices to groups using IP address filtering, first, go to the IP address list to see the devices and breakdown of IP addresses. Notice that in 10.86 we have 203 devices. We will move some of the devices by IP address range to a specific city in California. For reference, we'll take a screenshot to be able to easily refer back to the IP address ranges we want to move. If we know that Concord, California has a certain IP address range, we can move all of the devices automatically. Right-click on Concord, California and select Rename Edit. Referring back to the IP addresses, we will be moving the ranges 10.86.10, 10.86.11, 10.86.12, 10.86.133, and 10.86.134 to Concord, California. Going back to the Rename Edit window, we will select Yes in both Assign Existing Devices and Assign New or Unassigned Devices in order to select all devices in those ranges. Next, we have to add the ranges we want to assign. In the first drop-down, we will select Network IP Address Range. Select Starts With, and then enter 10.86.10, our first IP address range. Then add another 4 rows for the other IP address ranges. To select the item from the drop-down, you do not have to scroll through the entire list. You can use the keyboard to type the first letter, N, to jump to the ends in the list. In the next column, select S on the keyboard, and it jumps right to the Starts With item. Select S and Enter to select each of them quickly. To enter the IP address, you can copy and paste the initial characters and simply add the last characters using the keyboard. When all criteria are entered, click on Select Devices. Notice that there are no items to show in the list. We know there are items in those IP ranges. It is very important when entering multiple IP ranges to remember to change the Match All criteria to Match Any. It's impossible for a device to be in multiple IP ranges, so nothing will show up if you leave it on the default Match All. We are looking for all new devices, as well as all previously discovered or unassigned devices. Now we can click on Select Devices, and we will see all devices in any of the 5 IP address ranges. Once we click OK, we will immediately see the 16 devices show up under Concord, California.